What if I told you that you could flush years of built-up dangerous toxins from your kidneys while you are fast asleep? This isn't a new age gimmick. This is a foundational principle of natural body mechanics, a core secret the healthiest seniors have used for generations to support their most vital organs. Your kidneys don't stop working at 5 p.m. Their most intensive filtration and repair cycle happens at night, but they are overworked, inflamed, and need specific tools to do the job. In this video, I will reveal the 4 specific fruits you can eat right before bed that act as a night shift support crew for your kidneys, helping them detoxify your body effortlessly. But let's be clear, this isn't just an optional health hack, it's a critical intervention. Right now, in our modern world, our kidneys are under an unprecedented assault. Every single day, they are bombarded by processed foods loaded with sodium and phosphates, environmental toxins we breathe and drink, and chronic dehydration that makes their job nearly impossible. This constant stress leads to inflammation and damage, slowing down their ability to filter our blood. Supporting them isn't just a good idea, it is an absolute necessity for longevity. And the simple, powerful solution begins tonight, just moments before you go to sleep. To understand why this nighttime strategy is so powerful, you first have to understand what your kidneys are doing while you sleep. Think of your kidneys as the most sophisticated, high-tech filtration system on Earth. They are not just simple drains, they are intelligent gatekeepers. Every single day, they process and clean over 200 quarts of blood. That's 50 gallons, sifting out waste, balancing your electrolytes, and managing your blood pressure. It is a relentless 24/7 job. But here's the secret most people don't know. Your kidneys operate on a strict circadian rhythm, just like your brain. They have a day shift and a night shift. During the day, their primary focus is managing the load from the food you eat and the stress you experience. But at night, when you are asleep and your body is in a state of rest and repair, the kidneys switch gears. This is their night shift. This is when the real deep cleaning and restoration begins. Your kidneys work to flush out the most stubborn toxins, repair damaged filtering units called nephrons, and rebalance your body's internal chemistry. This is their most critical window for maintenance. Here is the problem. For millions of us, this night shift is failing. We have spent the entire day flooding our system with high sodium from processed foods, inflammatory compounds, and sugars. By the time night comes, our kidneys are exhausted, inflamed, and overworked. They are clogged. They don't have the tools or the energy to perform their deep cleaning duties. The toxins that are supposed to be flushed out get left behind, and the inflammation becomes chronic. This is where our solution comes in. The strategy I'm about to show you is essentially providing a targeted fuel drop of specific antioxidants, minerals, and hydrating compounds right before this night shift begins. You are giving your kidneys the exact tools they need, at the exact moment they need them, to finally do their job properly and cleanse your body as you sleep. All right, let's get right to the protocol. These are the 4 fruits you can choose from to fuel your kidneys' night shift. You do not need to eat all 4 at once. The key is to pick one and be consistent. First, the hydrating flusher, watermelon. This fruit is a hydraulic power flush for your kidneys, and its benefit comes from 2 primary sources. First, its incredibly high water content, about 92%, provides a gentle, natural flush that helps your kidneys move toxins and sediment out of your system without the harshness or side effects of diuretic pills. But the real magic is a compound called L-citrulline. When you eat watermelon, your body converts this L-citrulline into arginine, which is a vital precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is famous for being a vasodilator, which is a scientific term for a compound that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This is critically important for your kidneys. It allows more blood to flow through them with less pressure, dramatically boosting their filtration power and reducing the strain on the entire organ. Now, for the practical optimization. You don't need to eat half a melon. A single 1-cup bowl about 60 to 90 minutes before bed is perfect. This timing is key. It gives your body the hydration and the L-citrulline it needs right as the night shift is beginning, but it's early enough that it shouldn't have you waking up all night long to use the bathroom. This is smart hydration. Second, the antioxidant shield. Blueberries. If your kidneys are inflamed, they cannot filter properly. It's that simple. Think of blueberries as a targeted fire extinguisher for that inflammation. They are absolutely packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. This is the compound that gives them their deep, rich blue and purple color. These specific compounds don't just float around your body. They have been shown to directly target and neutralize inflammatory damage within the delicate tissues of the kidney itself. They are a protective shield for your nephrons, the microscopic filtering units that do all the heavy lifting. By protecting these units from daily oxidative stress, you are preserving your long-term kidney function. The practical optimization here is simple. One small handful, about a half cup, is all you need. And here's a great tip. Frozen blueberries are just as good, if not better, than fresh. The process of freezing can actually rupture the fruit's cell walls, making those powerful anthocyanins even more bioavailable and easier for your body to absorb. Third, the protective barrier. Cranberries. Cranberries have a well-deserved reputation for urinary tract health, but it's vital to know why they work, because it's not what most people think. They don't just acidify the urine. The unique power of cranberries comes from a compound called A-type proanthocyanidins. This compound has a remarkable anti-stick property. It essentially creates a slick, Teflon-like coating on the walls of your bladder and urinary tract. Bacteria, especially E. coli, which is the cause of most UTIs, simply cannot get a foothold. They are washed out before they can multiply and cause an infection. This is a critical preventative measure as it stops a simple bladder infection from traveling up the ureters and becoming a dangerous, life-threatening kidney infection. But the practical optimization here is the most important one of all. You must avoid the common sugar-loaded cranberry juice cocktail you see in most grocery aisles. That is just red sugar water, and the sugar will feed bacteria and inflammation, making your problem worse. You have two choices. Either a small handful of fresh, tart cranberries, or, the easiest method, a small 1 to 2 ounce shot of 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. It will be very tart, but it is incredibly powerful. Fourth, the toxin binder, apples. This final fruit works differently. It's an indirect kidney supporter, and it is incredibly smart. It stops toxins before they even get into your bloodstream. The power of an apple is found almost entirely in its peel. The peel is rich in a special soluble fiber called pectin. This pectin works like a binding agent or a natural sponge in your digestive tract. As it moves through your gut, it grabs and binds to toxins, heavy metals, and waste byproducts from digestion. By locking onto these toxins, pectin ensures they pass harmlessly out of your body through your stool, rather than being absorbed into your blood, where your kidneys would then be forced to filter them out. This one fruit dramatically lessens the total burden on your kidneys, giving them the break they so desperately need. For this reason, the practical optimization is non-negotiable. You must eat the peel. A peeled apple will not work for this purpose. This means you need to wash it thoroughly to remove any wax or pesticide residues. Even better, make the switch to an organic apple to ensure you are getting all the benefits of the pectin without adding any of the chemicals you're trying to flush in the first place. One small apple in the evening is all it takes. This is the central secret we must all understand. Your body has an incredible, built-in system for healing, repair, and detoxification. It is working for you every single second. It doesn't need harsh chemical cleanses or expensive, complicated procedures. It just needs intelligent support. This protocol isn't about a magic cure. It's about precision. It's about giving your body the exact nutrients it needs at the exact time it can best use them. By eating one of these specific fruits before bed, you are no longer just a passive sleeper. You are an active participant in your own health. You are funding your kidney's night shift. You are letting food do the heavy lifting for you while you rest. This is the real foundation of healthy aging. True, lasting health is not found in a pill bottle or a prescription. It is built in your kitchen. It is found in these simple, powerful, and consistent lifestyle choices. You have the power to support your body's most vital organs, and you can start tonight. So, here is your mission. Should you choose to accept it, tonight, don't just brush your teeth and go to bed. Go to your kitchen. Pick one of these 4 fruits, a bowl of watermelon, a handful of blueberries, a shot of pure cranberry juice, or a crisp organic apple. Eat it, and understand that you are arming your kidneys for the important work they are about to do. This is the first step. Begin this effortless nightly ritual. Let your body do the rest.